Hello guys, let's talk today about this Wyze Cam version 3. This is a quick unbox. So this is an indoor and outdoor camera. It's a smart camera, very simple to use, very simple to install, okay? So let's just open it up. So here we go. And see what's inside. So the first thing that I see here is the camera itself. Pretty nice camera. Here on this plastic bag. And here we go, okay? So that's basically the camera. It's pretty small, and you can just put this thing here, and then you have the stand for the camera. So you can have the camera like this, okay? You can put the camera whatever you want, and here in front of the camera you can see the lens, and also there's a microphone. So it's pretty good and pretty small. The design is very good, and here on the back you have the connector to the USB, okay, so you can connect the camera and power the camera. And here you have, on the bottom part, you have here an SD card. It's a SD card slot, and also here you can set up the camera and also reset the camera. So it's pretty simple to set up and to reset as well. Okay, oh, you can also here install this on a wall, for example, because there is space here where you can insert a screw and install this onto a wall. So pretty nice, pretty interesting. What else we have here on the box? In the box we have more accessories. Let me just remove them. So here we go. Okay, this is the charger. Of course, you need to have a charger to connect and charge the camera and power the camera, right? Because it's not rechargeable, but you can power the camera. Here's some screws and anchors so you can install the camera. Remember that you can use it here. Okay, and here also something that you can install the camera if you want to. It's magnetic. You can just put this in some place with the screws, and then you can attach the camera like this, okay? Because it has a magnetic base, so it works pretty well here, okay? What else we have here? We have more accessories here in this box, so let me just remove them. So here we go. We have here this sticker and the cable, right? Of course, you need to have the cable for the camera so you can connect one side to the camera and other side to the power, right? So basically that way you connect here to power, and the other side, of course, you're going to connect here to the camera. I think there's a correct side, you cannot put it wrong. Let me see here, the other side like this, and here we go. Yeah, that way, okay? And it's also protected here. If you're going to install outdoors, it's protected here, so there is no water coming inside of the cable. Okay, so pretty good. This is a quick unbox. Okay, I got this camera from Amazon. If you like it, go get yours.